Hey guys, Miss Katie here, and I'm going to show you how to make spinach egg cups. But since it's under the C week, we're going to call them seaweed cups. For this, you are going to need some spinach, baby spinach, some shredded cheddar cheese. You are going to need eggs, a bowl, and a whisk. I have some bacon left over from yesterday, but you're going to want some cooked bacon if you like bacon, or you can add anything else you would like into it that you like with your eggs. You are going to need a muffin tin, a frying pan with some oil or cooking spray in it, and then you are going to preheat your oven to 350. So it's preheating. The first thing you're going to do is to take a handful of the spinach. You're going to have your heat on medium. You're going to take a handful of the spinach and you are just going to place it right in there. And you're going to cook it for about 5 minutes until it wilts all up. Next, you are going to take your cooking spray. And you are going to spray your muffin tins. Next, you are going to crack your eggs. I'm going to use 12 eggs since I am using 12 muffin tins. Once you have all 12 eggs in the bowl, you are going to whisk them on up, just the same as you would for scrambled eggs. Once they are all scrambled, you are going to add 1 cup of your shredded cheddar cheese. Add it right into your egg mixture. 1 cup. Once the egg is all mixed in, you can go ahead and add your bacon. You can use crumbled bacon, you can use sausage. You might want to just cook it right before it wants to be cooked before, because the egg does not take too long to cook in the oven. Now let's go check on our spinach. So the spinach is getting nice and steamy, and we're going to let it wilt because it's going to go down to barely anything, all of this spinach. You are going to want to sprinkle your eggs with some salt and some pepper just to give it a little taste. I'm going to show you how much the spinach wilted down to, barely anything, and you're just going to go ahead and add that right into your egg mixture.
Mom, I gotta do my video too. I gotta do my video.
Yeah, do you?
Yeah.
Okay, look. All right, and when you have your spinach all mixed up in here, you are going to add them to your muffin tin, sorry. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my measuring cup to be able to scoop it out nice and easy. This part can be messy. And you are just going to fill the whole tin up. Make sure you're getting your cheese in your mixture, your spinach, and your bacon. You want to make sure you're getting it all in there. So once you have them all filled up, you're going to put them in your oven for 15 minutes.